Welcome back to box number 4 out of the 4-box opening for today. I might do more down the stretch, I don't know. There's also a new Pokemon release that I probably want to get my hands on too, so we'll see. Alright. As always, there will be a recap at the end. Alright. Edgefall Mountain. Ooh, and a Scalding Tarn right off the bat. Extended art, Scalding Tarn. Lens Flare sketch. We got Fresta full art. I don't know how many I got of those, but it's a lot. We got Shenanigans. We got Chatterstorm. Nested Shambler etched. We got Calibrated Blast foil. And we got Territorial Kavu foil extended. Alright, we got Edgefall Swamp. We got Master of Death extended art. We have a Lesotip Chancellor sketch. Search the Premises sketch. Nested Chamber, Abundant Harvest. Magmatic Sinkhole etched foil. We had Deep Forest Hermit etched foil. And an Old Border Shardless Agent regular foil. And of course, the Deep Forest Hermit was also etched foil, Old Border. Alright. We have Edgefoil Forest. We have an Academy Manufacturer extended. We have the Kitchen Imp sketch, a full art Subtlety, very nice. We got a Phantasmal Dreadmaw sketch foil, Mind Collapse. Step Through Edge. Ooh, Giver of Runes. Edge foil. Old Border. Very nice. And Bracer Princess. Foil extended. So my extended foils has been horrible so far. But there should be 2 more. So, and they could potentially be fetches, both of them. But probably not counting on it, right? Edgefall Swamp. Diamond Line. Extended. We got a Floodhound. We got a Caldera Complete sketch. Pretty cool. Glimmer Baron. Soul Snare. Soul Snare etched. We got Asthma, whatever the fuck. Etched Old Border. And Glimpse of Tomorrow. Regular foil. Old Border. We got Edgefall Forest. We got Misty Rainforest number 2. Oh, wait, we had a Scalding Tarn. My bad. Extended out, very nice. Timeless Witness. And an Ursa Saga, okay. Sketch. And then we got Scale Up. Aethersworn Sphinx. We have a Tribute Mage Edgefoil. We have Sisay, Weatherlight Captain. Old Border Edgefoil. And an Esper Sentinel sketch foil. Very nice, but 2 extended art fetches right off the bat. That is pretty neat. Edgefall Mountain. We got Resurgent Belief. Extended Faithless Salvaging sketch. Nyctos Paragon sketch, World-Weary sketch foil, Hermit foil, we got Mind Collapse edge foil, we have a Eula, Queen Among Bears, edge Old Border, ooh, and a full art Dakin Shadow Slayer. That is pretty cool. That is pretty flippin' cool. Very nice, and I might actually play him, so there we go. If after this shape up, Esper's actually still a thing, we'll see. It was really like looking to be a deck, kinda to my liking. We got an Edgefall Island. We got Extended Art Salt Talisman, just keeps on giving. Then we have Late to Dinner, we have a full art Vindicate. Very nice, very nice. Then we got Romiba, Changeling Outcast. We have Hunting Pack Etched Foil. We have an Etched Foil Upheaval and a Caldra Complete Sketch Foil. I think that goes there and that goes there. All right. Let me get an extended art foil fetch. Can be the cheap one, I don't care. That would be really cool. All right, we got Etched Foil Plains. Asmarana Mercantis. Extended. We got a Sudden Edict. We got a Esper Sentinel Sketch. Curiosity Old Border Foil. Skill. Goblin Anachromancer. Old Border Etched Foil, it looks like. We got Meowri's Wake. Etched Foil, very nice. And we have an extended art foil, Resurgent Belief. So my extended art foils keep on being my big bests. We got an Etched Foil Forest. We got a Sanctum Weaver Extended. We got World Weary. We got Ignoble Hierarch Sketch. Lens Flare Sketch Foil. Marble Gargoyle Old Border Foil. Suranorb. And Prismatic Vista Etched Foil. Old Border. And a Gaia's Will Old Border regular foil. And a Treasure. Etched Foil Island. Wow, okay. Sure, thank you. Verdant Catacombs. We got Lens Flare. Then we got Endurance. This box is absolutely nutters in the non-foil department so far. We got a Gargadon. Foil Sketch. Gargoyle. Lenora Tribe. Resurgent Belief. Etched Foil. Old Border. And a Magus of the Bridge. Womp womp. But the non-foils are just absolutely ripping. Got a Swamp Etched Foil, Brea's Apprentice, Abundant Harvest Sketch, Garth One Eye Sketch, Creativity Old Border, World Weary Sketch Foil, Glimmer Baron Etched, Chance Encounter Etched Foil, and a Void Mirror Extended Art Foil. Right there and right there. Alright. So, there should only be, I think, regular cards in this pack. So I don't think there shouldn't be any extended art foils or full art foils. Alright, so we got Etched Foil Plains. We got Timeless Dragon Extended. Road to Ruin Sketch. Harmonic Prodigy Sketch. Undead Augur. Faithless Salvaging. Prismatic Ending. Ooh, Verdant Catacombs. Etched Foil. And a Void Mirror. Old Border regular foil. Alright. Quick recap. Doing the sketches first. We got Harmonic Prodigy. Garth One Eye. Ignoble Hierarch. Esper Sentinel. Lictus Paragon, Ursa Saga, Caldra Complete, and Search the Premises. So not too bad, honestly, in those. Then we had some sketch foils as well. We had Esper Sentinel, Caldra Complete, and Magus of the Bridge. Then we had some regular etched foils. We had Chance Encounter, Meowri's Wake again, and Upheaval again. Old Border regular foils. We had Void Mirror. We had Gaia's Will, Glimpse of Tomorrow, and Sharpless Agent. Etched Foils, Old Border, we had Verdant Catacombs, Resurgent Belief, Prismatic Vista, Ayula, Sisay, Asma Wonderfuck, Cure of Runes, Deforest Hermit, and Calibrated Blast. In the extended arts, non-foils, we had Timeless Dragon, Breya, Verdant Catacombs, Sanctum Beaver, Asmoran, Soul Talisman, Certain Belief, Misty Rainforest, Diamond Line, Academy, Manufacturer, Master of Death, and Scalding Tarn. So that was just crazy. The 3 best fetches. Then in the extended art foils, we didn't get much luck. We did get a White Mirror, which is very nice. Resetting Belief, Brass Apprentice, and a Territorial Cabal. Full arts, we had Endurance, Vindicate, Subtlety, and a Fraster, which I have a ton of now. And Dakin, Shadow Slayer. Full art. Foil, baby. So, all in all, very happy with the boxes. I might do more, I might not. It depends on how much ads I can sell. So, I will talk to you guys another time. Thanks for watching. Bye.